Hey guys, how to fix Facebook not working. So first of all, go ahead to your settings, alright? And then basically what you're gonna do next, go ahead to the general, scroll a little bit down, and click transfer or reset iPhone, and make sure that you reset the iPhone, and make sure that you reset the all settings. That should fix your problem. If it didn't, go back right here to the general, alright? Then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the iPhone storage, right? And then basically iPhone storage right here, right? And then basically what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just scroll a little bit down, till you find the Facebook, click on it, and basically you're gonna upload the app. And by uploading the app, you're gonna release some of the unnecessary data or files within the app, and you're gonna get back to it. You're gonna be able to get back to it without the need to log in with your account. Alright, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you.